Prominent Grenadian attorney-at-law Arley Gill has called upon the government to support the petition brought forth by the Republic of South Africa at the International Court of Justice ICJ. The petition seeks to change the State of Israel with genocidal act against the Palestinian people, marking a significant development in the ongoing geopolitical discourse.
Homes are destroyed, bombed every day, and we cannot, in good conscience. Grenada is miles and miles away from Palestine, but that does not mean that it must not concern ourselves. At the end of the day, we are all human beings, and we ought not, for the soul and for the love of God, we ought to be our brother's keeper. And it is really, really disheartening to see that the silence from many Caribbean countries. Ideally, what we want is that CARICOM and bloc to support the South African petition. But in the meantime, charity begins at home.
In a passionate plea, Gill stressed the importance of international solidarity in addressing alleged human rights violations. He urged Grenada's leaders to align with the principle of justice and humanity, asserting that supporting South Africa's initiative would send a powerful message about the global community commitment to upholding international law.
Being powerful does not make it right. And I believe that Grenada must follow in the footsteps of Belize and St. Vincent and the Grenadines in particular, and lend their voice to stop the slaughter. We cannot continue to be silent. And we have a proud tradition and history of Grenadian governments supporting struggles against oppression. And I want to call on the Deacon Mitchell administration and Deacon Mitchell himself, whose silence, I believe, is deafening on the issue of the struggles of the Palestinian people, to align the government and people of Grenada with the petition filed by the Republic of South Africa.
The ICJ hearings on the case commenced last week, drawing attention from around the world. Gill emphasized the need for a fair and impartial investigation into the allegations, urging governments to recognize the gravity of the situation and contribute to a just resolution. As the international legal proceedings unfold, Ali Gill's advocacy for governmental support adds a local voice to the global conversation surrounding the Israel-Palestine conflict, bringing attention to the complexities of the situation and the quest for accountability. Rena Thomas, GBN News.